What's good, YouTube? Trustedkicks back at it again with another unboxing. This one comes from Trustedkicks. It is a Trustedkicks heater box. It's supposed to come, I think, with like 5 pairs of shoes or something like that in it. Normally 5 pairs of shoes. But we also, I got this box like 2 days ago, and I didn't get to do an unboxing whenever it came in. I just kind of pushed it to the side. And today, I actually got another package from them in the mail. Alright, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes in here, like usual. Alright, so let's see what this is. Alright, we have a pair of, well, these are Jordan 7s. They're size 11 to be dead stock, and these are the Pure Money 7s. Dead stock. Size 11. Just double check. I know sometimes that they send them in different boxes. Nope, size 11. Pure Moneys. Alright. Next one without a lid out of the box is a Jordan 1. I don't actually know what these are called. These are a size 12. These are just like a patent, the whole shoe's a patent leather. Kind of like black and gray. And let's see, double check the size. On the inside it says anti-gravity machines. If you can see that. But these are size 12, same as the box says, so I'm assuming it's the same box. These came out in 2016, so if you want to look them up and see. But yeah, these are dead stock as well. So first 2 out of the box, dead stock. It's a good start. Alright, the third shoe out of the box is going to be an Air Force One. It's an Air Force One mid, size 10. These are like an olive. These are dead stock as well. These are like an olive. Got a little unzip and zip back up. Just go ahead and check the zippers for you. But these are dead stock and they are a size 10. So if anybody needs them, holler at me. Hit me up on the Instagram, SaveMeKicks23, or just send me a message over. Which I'm noticing that there's not a strap for the left shoe, unless it's, yeah, there's no strap for the left shoe, so just one side. I don't know if that's the way they come. No, I doubt it, because there's a strap there, and I highly doubt they're gonna put a strap on just one. So one of them is strapless, so they will probably go for a less price. They are a size 10. Alright, the next one out of the box is going to be an Air Foamposite Pro Premium 9.5. These are the like platinum Yeezy Foamposite looking. And these also have glow bottoms. I don't know if I can get them to glow really quick for you. But you can see that, but they do glow. And these look to be dead stock, so 9.5 dead stock pair of platinum Foamposites. Alright, Last shoe out of the box. Looks like a huge box. It is a size 14 Jordan 13 wheat. So these are some boats. So if you are a size 14, you want these for a good deal, holler at your boy. So I'll let them go. Size 14, let me know. They are dead stock. If you want them for a good price, shipped, let me know. Hit me up. I have this box right here that I've never received from Trusted Kicks before, so alright. We have a iPhone 7 Plus. It's like a bread toe case. So there's that. Then we have a Yeezy 350. It's like gray and black. Then we have a 7 Plus Concord phone case. Then we have an iPhone 7. Looks like the bottom of a Jordan 1. iPhone 7. All the other ones so far were 7 Plus or a Samsung, I'm pretty sure. Then we got the iPhone 6. Looks like the Jordan 1 shattered backboard bottom. And the last phone case it's a Jordan Bread. It is a 6, iPhone 6. And then we got a couple little keychains. We've got the shattered backboard keychain. Got the 13 bread or 13 breads. Not actually sure what that one is, but I know it's a Jordan 4. And then got a pair of the Jordan 11s. Looks like the Gamma. It's a little bluer than the normal Gamma looks, but it still looks, I mean, you can tell what it is. And a Jordan 7. And they also sent over a Trusted lighter. Make sure it works. I mean, you never know. It could have actually been a lighter with nothing in it. So far that's everything with this box. I appreciate everyone for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.